Hi. So today we'll discuss about how to create a duplicate campaign. So basically, first we need to understand that why we need a duplicate campaign. So let's say we create a new campaign. Okay. Once we create a new campaign, we do a lot of setups in that. Like create a complete engagement form in that. We create a like low lead duplicacy, and whoever we want to manage them, and whoever will be taking care of that particular leads and all. So there are a couple of setup that we do while we create a campaign. But after that, if we are again creating a campaign or any other campaigns, so we don't want to do the all the same kind of setup again. So at that point of time, it will be very much easy for us if we just simply duplicate it, or if we just simply copy that particular campaign, the existing campaign, to a new one, and we can just change the name and we can upload the new data or something. So it will help us to save a lot of time and a lot of efforts as well. So now in order to do that, what we need to do is first, as usual, we need to just log in through our admin credentials. The first screen that will come across is the screen. There's the dashboard, which will give us a complete overview of your account, that what is exactly happening, along with the summary, analysis, and all the shortcut keys. Now, in order to duplicate any of the single campaign, what we need to do, in the left hand side, we just simply need to go to pipeline. The pipeline, all the pipelines will be visible. We just need to any of the campaign. So for that campaign, in which pipeline it's present, we need to figure it out first. So let's say I'll go to sales pipeline. Under sales pipeline, there are a couple of campaigns are there. So within this particular campaigns, if we want to duplicate any of the campaign from here, let's say any of the campaigns. So what we need to do, we can see there are multiple campaigns over here. So let's say it's VoIP test. So for VoIP test, if you whatever the setups have been done from VoIP test, and we want to copy it in a new campaign, then what we'll do, simply at the right hand side there's a three dots option. I click on this three dots option. I click on copy. Then automatically it's asking me to proceed to copy campaign. What I'll do, I'll simply click on copy, and then I can see a campaign has been created. Over here, what we need to do, we just need to change the name. So if we don't want to change the name for now, for a reference, I'll do one thing. Void test copy will be managing the campaign, select agents, whatever are been already selected in my previous campaign. It's already been came over here. Additional settings, whatever the settings I have done it in my previous campaign, it's been automatically copied. I'll simply click on edit. Now what we can see a campaign has been created, and all the setups, whatever were there in the previous campaign, the VoIP test, it has been copied in VoIP test copy as well. I could have changed the name also. Right now also, if I just click on edit, I can simply change the name. So I'll click on VoIP test 2, click on update. So the name has also got updated. If I just simply go back, and I can just upload the leads, and then I'll just simply go back again. I'll just refresh it. Just I can see this VoIP test is present over here. So that means this VoIP test particular campaign has been copied successfully with all the necessary setups with it. So that's how we can simply duplicate a campaign, or we can copy a campaign, or we can create a duplicate campaigns. Okay, in order to save a lot of time and efforts. So that's all. Thank you.